Oftentimes, when we think of strength, we think of something that is forceful and tough and hard. But I'm going to share with you a contemplation that I've been using throughout our classes, Insight and Yoga this week, that might change your perspective a little bit. This is a quote from the Chinese philosopher Lao Tze. Water is fluid, soft, and yielding. The water will wear away rock, which is rigid and cannot yield. As a rule, whatever is fluid, soft, and yielding will overcome whatever is rigid and hard. This is another paradox. What is soft is strong. When we think of water, we think of something that's watery, fluid, and soft, and we don't think of strength. But then you think of a waterfall, you think of a flash flood. This soft, watery thing becomes this powerful force of nature that is capable of washing away all that's in its path. Think of the rocks in a soft, quiet stream. Over time, the water, as it flows over these rocks, what started as perhaps jagged with sharp edges, over time the water smooths out. So in Ann Yoga Studio this week, we've been contemplating on where in our lives, in our bodies, have we been holding ourselves like rocks that's hard and rigid, braced and protected. And this could be literal physical tension in our body. We all have that, right? It can be a mental hardness of something that's been limiting you, that's been blocking your path, in the sense, kind of you being in your own way. And then there's that emotional hardness. Where have you built that wall around yourself? And on the flip side, where in our lives can we bring more of that watery quality of softness? Where can we bring more softness in our physical body? Are we needing to brace ourselves at all times? Can we soften somewhere sometime during the day? Where can we bring a little bit of that watery softness into our mind? Can we get out of our own way? Can we reduce some of the overthinking, over analyzing, over strategizing that we all do so much? And then where can we bring some more fluidity in our emotional body? Can we open up with more compassion? Can we find more things that we enjoy and love and soften into that with ease? Because as the teaching of Lao Tzu implies, what is soft is strong. At some point, like a rock thrown against a wall, you will break and shatter. So be like water. Start to embody this fluid quality of adaptability, of resilience, of softness, but also the strength of gushing water, of force that not even rocks and trees can endure when need be. What is soft is strong. And that is the contemplation and teaching inside Ann Yoga Studio this week.